So over here, once we go into the start menu, you can see that there's some pinned application over here. So there's something like Office, there's OneNote right over here, which is already there. I can actually customize them. So I can actually click and drag the photos. Let's say I want to drag it over here onto the right. I can click and drag it onto the right. I can also click and drag it over here and keep it back in there. But you notice that these icons are in somewhat like a shape over here. So you can see that there's the weather right over here. This is life at a glance, and play and explore right over here. If you were to click it, you can actually change this name. So let's say this is going to be fun, press enter, and there you go, the name has been changed. So I can just rename this simply into life, just like this. I can also drag this into a new spot, just like that. So as long as you're dragging it onto the same spot, you can see that it is on the same group. But as I were to drag it down, and you can see that's the new sort of a box that appears that actually brings up a new group. And you can actually rename this group. So you can say something like weather, just like that. So weather, all right, so WEATHR. All right, so weather, just like that. I can also change the size of the pin application right here. I can simply right click, and over here you can see that you can resize this. So right, you can also change it into small. So that's a really small icon, as you can see. You can resize it to large. That actually brings up a large application, as you can see right there. You can also right click, resize it, and then make it into something like wide, as you see right here. So you can move it along just like this. And let's say if you want to bring up this one, something like date, and you can bring it over here just like that as well. Apart from this, you can drag in any application from the start menu and pin it over here. So let's say I want to pin up this PowerPoint application over here. I can simply right click and I can pin to start. So let me just click on pin to start, and it'll actually pop up over here. So I can place it anywhere I want to. So let's say I'm going to place it here. I can right click and I can resize this into small or medium. So depending on the application you actually bring in, the size differs. So you can really make it small, or you can just make it large, as you can see. So you can make it medium as you go over there. You can also bring in Paint 3D and just click and drag it over here. That is also another way to actually bring in applications. So I can bring it right over here, and then you can resize it to something like wide, just like that over here as well. So just drag in any of the application like over here, and then just keep it over here on the same group or in a different group right over here. And you can rename this. So let's say rename this group into something like tutorial, and there you go, just like that. So that is how you can rearrange everything out. So you can drag it over here, bring it in here, just like that. Let me just resize this out into medium and drag it over here. So bring it into the default, as you can see right here. So you can also go over here, change this group right over here, remove the group name altogether, and resize it. So that is how you can pin and then rearrange the pin application inside of the start menu inside of Microsoft Windows 10. So I hope you guys learned something as always, and as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.